Activate Hidden Freshness feature in your refrigerator. Open your refrigerator's door and locate the control panel on the inside. Press and hold the Freshness button for 5 seconds until the Freshness field menu appears on the display. Select produce type. Once the menu is displayed, use the arrow buttons to scroll through the different produce icons: leafy greens, berries, citrus, etc. Select the type of produce you're storing by pressing the Select button. Adjust freshness level. After selecting the produce type, you'll be prompted to adjust the desired freshness level. Use the up and down arrows to choose between mild, medium, or intense freshness settings. Press Confirm to lock in your selection. You'll hear a gentle hum as the freshness field is created within your refrigerator. Monitor and enjoy. Close the refrigerator door and let the freshness field work its magic. Your produce will now benefit from extended freshness and longevity.